It's a wonderful experience for all of us, not just limited to leaders, even it is useful for all the workforce that is part of UST. It is not only helpful at the professional front, even at a personal front as well. People who knew or who know that they know everything in the leadership. But this training will let you know how much do you really know about leadership. And definitely, if you look back at the topics that we discussed on day one, we were at point 001 talking about digital transformation. But today, if you look at it, we are 800 times ahead. We are at 80%. So definitely, this servant leadership program will be very useful for an organization and for its workforce. And if you look back the history, we have the top-notch companies implementing this leadership training program. If you have noticed, my team is also sitting beside me, going through the same training I'm going through. Definitely, I would definitely recommend everyone in the UST to take part in this training program.
Okay.